So this video is all about the configuring the domain from outside website to AWS Route 53, so which is domain manager and DNS service for AWS services. And we will proceed step by step approach like which we can help beginners as others to host the others domain on Route 53. So let's start this video. So I opened my this console from in AWS. You can open yours and then you need to go to Route 53. So just I click on the Route 53. Here we need to create a host zone. So this Route 53 is opened and here we need to create the host zone. So you can see there like host zone. Just click on this one, and currently I don't have any host zone, so I need to create that. So just click on create that. You need to copy the domain name, so which we need to configure. So my domain is this one, Notjust Developer. So just copy here and paste here, and you can select just leave this description as optional and select the option public hosted zone, then create zone. So it will create your zone and it will you provide the NS routing. So let me show you. So you can see like all values are there, so you need to copy these all these NS values and edit in your hosting provider, which will be anyone like a GoDaddy, BigLog, and any. So for that, just go to your dashboard of your host provider. So so I purchased this domain from the Big Rock. You can purchase from the GoDaddy and other. Just open the dashboard or cPanel, and here you can see. And then you need to go to name server settings. So just click on the name server, and here you can see default name servers are given, which is provided by Big Rock, and we need to edit this one. So just copy from these, so these four values. So just I will copy one by one and edit here and update the name server. So you can see it will so name servers in Madrid, it normally take 24 to 70 hours, so it will take 24 hours to update the name servers. So I will begin after the updating, like after the 24 hours, and then so that's all we need to configure. You can check after 24 hours, domain will be configured. So that's all we need to do to transfer from the GoDaddy or Big Rock third-party hosting provider to this AWS Route 53. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.